So chapter 7 is about thermochemistry. I like this quote from Richard Feynman. There is a fact, or if you wish, a law, governing all natural phenomena that are known to date. There is no known exception to this law. It is exact as far as we know. The law is called the conservation of energy. It states that there is a certain quantity, which we call energy, that does not change in the manifold changes which nature undergoes. You see all the qualifications he's got on that first part? Scientists tend to do that because we can't say this is absolutely true, because we might find stuff in the future, we might discover new things. But no known exceptions. Energy is conserved. And so in this chapter, we're going to talk about energy and how it is involved in chemical reactions. So it is spring here in the Central Valley. Other places it's still winter. Chemical hand warmers, we don't have a lot of need for those around here unless you're going skiing or maybe sitting out at very cold baseball games. But you've probably all seen them. They sell them at 7-Eleven and all over the place. Little plastic packets, and you open them and squish them around, and they get warm. It's almost like magic. There's no batteries involved. There's no on switch. It's just magic. Most hand warmers work by using the heat released from the slow oxidation of iron. So that black stuff in there is just finely divided iron. And it reacts with oxygen to form rust, basically. So you're taking advantage of rusting iron to warm up your hands. The plastic package that it comes in prevents oxygen from reaching the iron, and so it doesn't start working until you open the package. So how much heat you get out of that, how much your hands warm up, depends on several things. The size of the hand warmer. If it's larger, you're going to get more heat. The size of your glove in your hand. But mostly it's going to depend on the amount of thermal energy that's released by the reaction. So the universe is composed of matter and energy, because there are things that are not matter. And even though in chemistry we're studying matter, energy has a huge effect on matter, and so we need to consider that as well.